2.
All about experience is to feel the adrenaline running through our veins, like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground.
Hello, hello.
With a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Hey Marwan, good afternoon.
Good morning.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you today? How was your morning session trading?
It was good. Made some good money today.
That's good. I had a cheeky buy on gold when it started to massage the previous daily close. Let me just show you. But that's I'm gonna close it down now because the gold price is back at the range at the top. So I closed down that gold buy. If I go back to trading view,
you already have 146 on YouTube.
Wow. And Sean, tell me that. What's 150 minus 76?
I don't know.
57.
The calculator.
Yeah, that's the number of likes we're missing on YouTube. Oh, guys, you are so lazy. Come on, hit that like. So, quickly before the move happens, you can see on the gold chart, spot gold price, 1 hour time frame. Yes, you can see it. You can all see it. So I have these two red lines, and pretty much gold is moving in a range. We have a floor, we have a ceiling, you know, previous daily low, previous daily high. And even yesterday's FOMC meeting minutes could not push gold higher, but also couldn't break it. So I think traders are really waiting out to see how the market is going to digest the Fed's announcement in yesterday's FOMC meeting minutes about the plans to reduce the balance sheet, which is $9 trillion. It's huge, big, very big. So, but again, today I thought London session is going to be crap. It's going to be really volatile, but it was really muted. And I was expecting that European traders who didn't have the chance to react to yesterday's FOMC meeting minutes, they're going to move the market, but it wasn't the case. So gold price, I'm really looking forward to break this sideways movement. We know exactly that, so this is the range that gold has been stuck for the last over a week. And as soon as gold breaks out either to the upside or the downside, you know, it's gonna move because we know exactly that gold likes to consolidate for very long times, days, weeks, even months sometimes. But as soon as it breaks out from the consolidation, we know exactly that, you know, it can move thousands of pips, such as in this case. Or if you go down, you have more consolidations marked already on the chart. If it breaks out, it moves thousands of points. So we have to be patient and just look for opportunities. But if gold doesn't give us anything, what do? We just move on to something else. And we have US 30 as well, which is, ladies and gentlemen, is a short position. Now, multiple confirmation have appeared on the chart. For example, this bullish W. Also, we had the Fibonacci 61.80, and the most important, a downward shifting bearish market structure. And also that the Fed is going to reduce the balance sheet. It's really bearish for gold. We had obviously some upward movement because people were buying the news, but you know, professionals are selling the fact now because we know exactly that reduction of balance sheet is going to hurt the gold market. So who entered into the US 30 sell with me?
I did.
Good.
I did.
2 3. Only 3 people.
Here I am.
4. Good. Perfect. Excellent. So on US 30, what if you didn't enter into a trade and you're asking, is it too late, Thomas, to enter? Well, you know, it's never too late. The only easy day was yesterday. If you enter now, what is the trade-off you have to sacrifice?
Stop loss, larger stop loss.
A wider stop loss, that's right. Because, you know, if you didn't see the opportunity which was presented right into your Discord, or if you just joined the stream, then you have to accept a wider stop loss. That is right. You know, the profit potential is still very decent, and I don't think that's big of a sacrifice. A little bit wider stop loss. But that said, let's have a look on other things as well, because we have GBP Japanese yen as well. Wonderful. GBP Japanese yen, it's still playing up. It's running in a decent, modest profit, not too much. But let's see, what do we have on the GBP Japanese yen gold chart? So what we can see, that we have a clear ceiling, a top, which acts as a resistance in form of the previous daily high. Let's put the pivot points, the daily ones. You can see that it lines up with, or it's very close with, 2 daily pivot points, the R2 and the R1. So actually we have a zone now, a resistance zone. And price is so far respecting this resistance zone, because you can see these wicks which are just massaging this resistance zone. So what can we expect on GBP Japanese yen? Obviously we have a closing in wedge, and who doesn't like a good wedgie, ladies and gentlemen? And how do we trade wedges? We wait for the breakout, or if you want to guess it, if you feel excited today and adventurous, you can guess it. Which way is it going to break? Is it going to break to the upside or to the downside? Well, my bet is on the upside, so I took a long position, but it doesn't mean it's going to break to the upside. But I'm fairly bullish on GBP Japanese yen, given this beautiful market structure from since the end of March. So what could we expect in the coming hours on GBP Japanese yen? We might have a pullback because we just massaging the previous daily high. You know, we might have a pullback to the daily pivot point, which you can see how nicely price bounced off from the daily pivot. So if you have any pullback to the pivot point or lower than the current price level, you know, it's not financial advice, but it's good opportunity to buy. Or if you are more conservative, wait for the break of the previous daily high, wait the break of this wedgie, and then wait for the retest, and then voila, it should go continue higher. Now we discussed the gold trade, we discussed US 30, and we discussed GBP Japanese yen. Any questions? Financial advice, but it's good opportunity. 1212.
Go on.
Wagwan. How are you, Rayon?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. I had a morning sleep, so I wasn't trading this morning. I just stayed in bed and watched a movie. That's what I did today.
Likewise.
Good.
Copy me, bro.
Sometimes you need these lazy days.
True.
Anas?
Yes, Marwan.
Yeah, just wanna give some credit to Isaac. He shouted out on the Euro Japanese, and it's flying. Thank you, Isaac.
Guys, I've been telling you for a long time to to keep your eye on Isaac, because he has some wonderful setups. Let me just show you for those people who don't know what I'm talking about. So we have a wonderful Discord for private members. This is where we share all the analysis. I have my dedicated room, but also we have Isaac, who is a wonderful analyst. He's really good, and recently he is on the fly. He's smashing it, ladies and gentlemen. Like every single pair he touches turns into fucking gold flakes. It's really good. So oh wow, your GPY took a Viagra. Did you take that position?
Yeah, I took it at the lower side.
Good. Let's have a look on Euro GPY. Oh, it is in Viagra.
Yeah.
If I go down to lower time frame, this is the secret of Instagram traders. Go as low as possible, and when you catch 10 pips, it looks enormous, huge. Now, actually, this one is big, so it's like 87 pips. That is massive. Well done, Isaac, if you're listening to this.
Yes, well done. Thank you, Isaac.
Viewers on YouTube, welcome. We have 209 viewers, only 119 likes, so if you enjoyed the stream, hit the like button. If you really enjoy it, smash it, but only once. Let's push it up to 200 likes today, ladies and gentlemen. And while we wait, let's have a look on the gold market. So again, I closed down my buy, and now gold is flying up. So what should we expect on gold? If it breaks to the upside, we can see bullish continuation all the way to 1950. But the problem is that we've been in this sideways range for so long. Now I don't trust gold anymore. And I think it would require a decent amount of news to correct all of this sideways consolidation, sideways movement. We want to see this kind of beautiful, nice lower highs and lower lows market structure. We don't want to see this shit pile of bull poo. Let's have a look on US 30. Oh, US 30 is going down.
Hello. Tamas.
Alban Castrati, hello my friend, how are you?
Oh, how's
Brother.
everyone doing?
Brav.
Hello, members.
Alba.
How you guys doing?
Trading is all about
Oh, shit.
experience.
Yeah, not too bad. Just watching US 30. Did you jump on US 30?
No, not on US 30, no, but I was on NAS buys today.
Yeah, I jumped on yours already.
Yes.
Gold
Good
buys.
news. I had a gold buy earlier, but as soon as it came back to the top of the channel, which I talked about as consolidation, I closed it down at the previous daily high.
Yeah.
Because
Yes, I set them already.
yeah, it's better safe than sorry.
Yeah. So,
But US 30 is going down so nicely.
$93, huh? It's great. 93 points on profit.
Yeah, 94 pips, 900 points. 140 likes on YouTube. Come on, guys, give me 60 more likes, and I make your dream come true. In certain limitations. Or Raul can make your dream come true. How about that? 60 likes. That's all it takes.
Well, if you don't give a like, we'll send Jimmy.
Where's Jimmy? Brother, where are you?
I think he's hiding today.
Trust me.
Trust me.
He called some
Trust me,
profits.
brother. Trust me, I'm telling you, trust me.
Trust
I
me, trust
swear.
me.
He's a character for sure.
Missing.
Oh, who was that? Someone was breaking up. Anyway, so yeah, Jimmy is definitely a character in a positive way.
Yeah.
At least we have two ladies looking after him, Sophie and B. Two of the
Oh,
ladies
yeah.
taking care of Jimmy.
Excuse you.
Welcome, B. I was testing the still
Tina's
water.
looking after him, huh? Oh, that's great, huh?
Where's Jimmy, B?
I don't know, let me check and see.
Why are you asking me?
Because you guys joined on the same day. You have the same birthday. It's
You are
know,
his keeper.
it's in the
Ask
stars.
Sophie.
It's
Sophie
it's,
knows Jimmy's wife's number, so
It's in your destiny, B.
oh my god, please don't say that.
Come on, guys. 42 likes and we hit 200 likes on YouTube. And tell me one thing on YouTube. If you ever watching or listening, is gold buy or sell?
Then why are you messaging me? You can just talk to me here.
That's not good, huh?
What?
Called you out, bro.
All that, you know?
I didn't get it. What did you say?
I didn't know you were trolling around with Jimmy.
God, no.
Seems like, you know, seems like you are, though.
I'm not.
So I asked the people on YouTube whether buy or sell gold, and some of them are going crazy, spamming the chat, but mostly buy. Serhat is selling from 1932 all the way to 1915. Chef OP, Sarbar, few other people are buying. So it's really mixed. Very mixed.
Yeah, I don't trust gold right now. I'm leaving it alone until it figures out what it wants to do.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Like yesterday was so nice. These you know, this support level was just perfect. I mean, was it too much to ask that, you know, gold to fly on this beautiful support level? I mean, we had 3 entries in the past few days. Every single time, massive rejection, gold was flying, going up, and then, you know, coming back. I was like, really? And, oh no, actually, it was previously this one. And we had the FOMC minutes yesterday, and I was just going nuts and crazy and closing everyone out. But I know some people jumped on at 1916, which is a good catch. And I have some good news, because gold is going to break to the upside most likely. It's going to break the previous daily high. It's going to bounce off from the resistance to retest the previous daily high and fly all the way to 1950 for now. When is it going to happen? That is the big question. What do you think?
Yeah, same Thomas. Like, I'm only gonna get it if it breaks like 38, and then wait for a retrace at maybe 25, 28 before like enter a position.
Yeah. Let's have a look on higher time frame. What do we have?
Have a mess.
Yeah, it's awful, this price action. I mean, it's ranging since oh, that's ugly. You can't even put a range on it. It's so disgusting.
If you join the higher highs all the way down, it seems like on the 4 hours time frame, it seems like it's forming kind of a wedge or something.
So something like this.
Yeah.
Oh, what is a wedge? What do you think, guys? Does it look like a wedge to you? Yeah,
I'm just waiting to that it will cross the almost 1937, as B said.
Yeah, I can agree with the wedge, and that definitely it's consolidating. And you can see that as we get to the end of the wedge, volatility becomes more exaggerated, and impulse is building up, pressure is building up at the end of the wedge, so it has to break. By the looks of it, it's going to break to the upside.
Exactly, it's hovering on the upper side.
Yeah. But yeah, I saw many times wedges on the gold chart. It looks like it's going to break to the upside, but you know, we're talking about gold. It's a surprise. So Roberto just asked me to jump on the US 30. There you go, buddy. We have a nice downward shifting bearish trend. We have a nice W pattern, but you know, there is a possibility that price is going to come a little bit higher, you know, because this was the level at 34,700, which originally I wanted to sell from, but before the stream, when I come onto the charts to my computer switched on, I saw this W pattern, so started selling. Is it too early? We'll see. Oh, I like how Robert is humming. It's really soothing.
I regularly muted it, and then I was humming and noticed I wasn't muted, so I was like, "Oops."
Yeah, many people don't realize when they on the live stream, on the live Zoom or in the group Zoom call, morning briefing or afternoon, doesn't matter. Don't realize that the mic is on, and we have heard some weird shit, and we also saw some weird shit when people forgot to turn off the camera. So we see half naked people. We saw everything.
Great stuff.
How are you, Robert? Are you Robert? Which Robert are you?
I don't know which Robert am I. I'm not sure what my name comes up on this as.
Good question.
I'm Robert's iPhone. Yeah, I'm just new. I joined like.
You're Robert's iPhone. That's a good, really good surname.
Yeah, you're gonna sue Apple now.
Yeah.
I'm sponsored.
I guess you're never gonna find out which Robert are you.
Well, one day you will forget your camera on, so we will know.
Yeah, hopefully you won't see any weird shit.
No. What positions do you guys have open? Oh, look at this. How you see? That's exactly why I closed down the position, because gold is, you know, there's still possibility the price is going to range within the end of the wedge.
I don't know. I feel I'm gonna go for a for a buy.
Okay, let's see the possibilities. What do you think would be a decent buy level?
1950.
25, 28.
Yeah, 1915, 60, 80. Yeah, I think if you use the Fibonacci from, if you take the average of this last consolidation, and if you put it just somewhere in the middle, just eyeball it. So you cut as many wicks as possible, you put the top to the previous high, which, surprise, surprise, lines up with the top of the consolidation. We see the price as respecting so far the 38.2, which is a rejection level. And it's right, well, close to the middle of the previous daily high and the previous daily close. So, given the bullish market structure, bullish market structure, I'm talking rubbish. There's no market structure in gold right now because it's moving sideways. But, you know, at least it started going upwards and not downwards. And we see a bullish kind of momentum on the lower time frame. So, what should we do? Question to the team. What do you think? Where should we buy gold? We're trading above the previous daily close. We're trading above the daily pivot point. We're trading above the Fibonacci 61.80. Where should we buy?
I think previous daily
I
close.
think pivot point is because it touched so
Just
many
wait
times.
for the breakout.
It coincides with the 50% retracement also.
Yeah, do you think it's gonna come down to the previous daily close? What if we miss it?
Well, yeah, it is a possibility we'll miss it, but I think it's gonna go down.
Well, if we miss it, it's okay. We'll have more opportunities. No point in rushing it.
Yeah,
That's very good. We have, who knows how many trading days we have in a year? $251, 249, 250, somewhere around 250. You know, we have leap years and normal years, but if 250, we can, it's 100% sure, 250 trading days. So if you miss one, or if you don't trade one day, it's not the end of the world, because we have 249 other trading days.
correct.
I love when I talk like this, bro.
To me, it's almost gambling right now, with it being right in the middle. Just, I'm not confident with it, and I'm not touching it until it does something better.
True.
I mean, if you really want to, go in for a buy and a sell. Maybe one of them will work out.
Oh, that's a kamikaze strategy. It's really dangerous. And in the meantime, US 30 went down further, and now we're trading below the daily pivot point, so it's a good thing. Let's quickly have a look on the position. So, who jumped into a sell on US 30?
I did.
Excellent. Excellent. Anyone else?
Yeah, I picked up about 1% and closed out.
Very good. Easy Thursday, innit? Oh, and we have the initial jobless claims in 1 minute. Jesus, I completely forgot about this. So we have initial jobless claims today. Let's see.
Ten seconds.
So let's see how it's going to affect the market. Oh, less people claimed unemployment benefit for the first time. It's very good. So the market is getting tighter and tighter, the labor market. So now let's have a look, how is it going to affect the gold market and the US 30 and all of the markets. So I'm just going to lock in some profits on my position on US 30. So I'm going to close down half of the position on US 30. And it's done. Closed. 2K, boom. Ooh, look at gold. It's coming back to the retracement level, previous daily close. Marwan, are you going to jump on a buy?
Yeah, preparing my gun.
Oh.
Okay. I'm in.
Did you buy?
Yeah.
So, where did you place the stop loss?
1926. Too tight. But
Someone else bought again. 1926.
I'm gonna go a little bit further.
You entered somewhere here. Okay. Someone is placing some heavy lots.
Well, that's
I'm
just
gonna,
moving
you
my
know,
stuff.
you okay? Usually you follow me in trades, so this time I'm going to jump in with you blindly because I know you. Mate, you guys, every single day I see people taking my trades blindly. So you put trust in me. Now I'm going to do the same and put trust in you. But if it hits stop loss, I'm going to write into the group chat. No, I'm just kidding.
Not a financial advice.
Well, you put it
As
out there,
Jimmy
my friend.
says, trust me, brother.
Yeah, trust me, brother. You can double your money within 24 hours. Trust me. Oh, I need to show as well. So I jumped in to 2.5 lots with my friend Marwan. Let's see if he's going to make some money for me. Who's in a buy? Who's in a sell?
In a buy.
I'm done for the day.
Based on Marwan Capital's advice?
I still have limits open at 26 and 25, but my 27 got triggered.
We have almost 300 people watching the stream. Okay. And there's only 182 likes. Guys, hit the like button. If you enjoyed the conversation, hit the like button.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
So, it hasn't moved too much, but we have good chances. The reason why I'm saying is because look how aggressive was this bullish candle right here.
Moving up now.
The pressure is on you, Marwan. No, I would not jump in. I would have not jumped in if I don't have the same bias. But at least if it goes south, then I can say it was your fault.
Yeah. I have a thick skin, no problem.
No, it's okay. I was just kidding. We can delete this because we're not waiting for retracement anymore.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Percy.
Hey, Percy, hoe gaat het?
Ja, lekker man. Lekker aan het werk.
Good.
Ook. And how are you doing? Are you in a buy or sell? What's the verdict?
Both. No, it's we were discussing gold market as every single day, but you see we have this really ugly consolidation and side. I wouldn't even say it's a consolidation because it has many outliers, many big fake outs, but price is moving sideways pretty much. And then Marwan highlighted this wedge, which I didn't see. So as you can see that we're getting closer to the end of the wedge, to the tip, and as we get closer, the volatility is increasing and we have bigger whiplashes. So we had a discussion whether to buy or sell, and Marwan took initiative and said, Thomas, it's a buy. So he took my hand and he showed me the way. And we are in a buy now.
Okay. Nice.
Are you in a buy or sell, Percy?
I took 10 pips. I always go in out. But the wick that you see there, I thought it would go the wrong way, so then I took some loss and I did a re-entry, and I took 10 pips. And now I'm checking to see because I was.
Someone is getting angry at the delivery driver. It sounds very angry. Hamza, you didn't get the dessert at the restaurant or what? La. Hamza Omran. Hamza, what happened? Okay, I'm just gonna mute him, but it was hilarious.
Oh, you know what I seen? I wanted, but I was in a meeting. I wanted to do a sell on the previous daily high. That's a pity. That would have been 40 pips.
Yes, it respected very nicely.
Yeah, because the trend line and the previous day high. That was an opportunity. But for now, I've seen it retesting the EMA 8, and it bounced off of that again, and now it's towards the EMA 200. Somehow, price always goes back to EMA 8. That's strange.
It's no, it's not. EMA. Do you know what is the moving average? What does it represent?
Yes, exactly. The EMA is the closest to the price, actually, right?
No, but do you know what's the moving average? How is it calculated?
I cannot explain you, but it's calculated from a previous time, but I don't know how to explain it to you.
Yeah, so EMA and SMA is based on past prices. So everything you see on the chart, think about it as the matrix: numbers, lows, highs, closing and opening prices. But we have the visual representation of the chart, the Japanese candlesticks, which is a wonderful way of seeing the market, but also very, very misleading sometimes, because it can be confusing, different time frames, gold going up and down and then sideways. But if you look at just the numbers, imagine that you see closing prices and opening prices. So the moving average takes, depending on what is the setting, so if you talk about the 50 moving average, it takes the last 50 candle on the whatever time frame it is, takes the last 50 candle and it takes the averages. Now some of them calculated, there is a difference between smooth moving average and exponential moving average. SMA tends to filter out the noise because of the calculation, the methodology difference a little bit. Therefore, there is a bigger lag on the SMA. So if you're scalping, the EMA is recommended to use because it shows you the price changes much faster than the SMA. On the other hand, EMA and SMA is a lagging indicator. So by the time the move has happened, the EMA or the SMA just start to show you that, okay, so this is happening. And the reason why price usually respects the EMAs and the SMAs is for two reasons. Obviously, because it is a moving average, so you know, it shows you where was the average, the true median, where was the equilibrium on the market. Remember that we have numbers, buyers and sellers, bids and offers. So if you have the moving average, it shows you where was the true mean, where was the true average. And also algorithms closely following the moving averages, because you know, algorithms work with numbers, not by looking at the chart. So there isn't a robot that's looking at the chart and pressing the buy or sell button. Algorithms calculating strategies and just executing the steps which were fed into the algorithm. And most of the algorithms rely on moving averages. If there is a crossover, there is a break, the algorithms know exactly. And that is why the more and more we get into you know, artificial intelligence, and you know, as we develop and the financial market gets older, AI and bots are taking over.
Exactly. Yeah. True. Okay. Thanks for the explanation.
You're welcome.
I do use moving averages crossovers, and it works. It works. If you set the alarm by the touch, but I use it as a confluence confirmation, not just the moving average.
Try to collect and mark every single crossover and see what was the price action. So this way, if you see any reoccurring patterns, then maybe you can forecast the crossover before it's actually happening if you look at the candlestick chart.
Yeah, because if I look at not this candle in the 1 hour, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like about 6, 7 candles back, it had a crossover with the EMAs that I'm using, and that was exactly on the 50 FIP. So that's a confluence, because then it already retested the FIP 50, wanted to go to the FIP golden zone pocket with a cross. So it was at influence really to build up to go up, because the golden pocket is already a magnet, and with the cross heading towards the magnet and respecting the FIP beneath it, yeah, then you can take the trade up. And that was like around 1925.
Yeah, I do agree.
So that was like how much pips? That was like 50, like 80 pips. It went up from that moment.
Wow.
I'm gonna put myself on mute again.
Hello?
Okay. Thank you so much, Percy. Ooh, Muhammad is preparing the dinner for the family, I hear. Bashing those chicken thighs. Yalla. Ooh. Marwan. Hello?
Hello? Yeah, this
Hello?
is Kevin.
Hey, Kevin.
How you doing, Thomas?
Not too bad. How are you?
Good, good. I work in the hospital, so I just got...
I think you just cut off or breaking up.
I said I work in the hospital, so I'm just getting off.
Ah, okay. It's Thank you for your service. So how is life? How is trading? You haven't been active in the Zoom that much.
No, because I'm usually getting off too late.
So how do you like it with us so far?
I think the group is awesome. From what I've seen, you're the only one I've seen doing live trades like this.
Yes, I'm not really sure about the competition or who's doing you know, live trades. I'm sure I know there are people who do live trades as well, so I'm not the only one. I'm not the best, but you know, we have 317 people watching the stream right now, so that tells something.
Yes, I think what I mean is the consistency. There are people that they do live trades, but you're doing it on YouTube more than anybody I've seen.
Oh yeah, like the consistency is key.
Right.
Marwan, are you here?
No, I left. I left the group.
You changed country and name and burned your passport. Okay, so no pressure, Marwan. I hit my stop loss, the position.
Yeah,
okay, what should we do, Marwan? What's the next step? Buy or sell?
I'm gonna stay quiet.
That's okay. That's okay. You see,
for another buy, but I'm gonna wait. I think we should wait till 61.8. Let's see. I don't know.
A is in the 61.8 right now.
Yeah.
But
maybe our loss was very close. Anyhow.
Yeah, it happens. It's fine.
Yeah. Sorry for that, guys.
It's okay. I do this every single day.
That's all right, Marwan. I took a little one, took a few pips, made a little bit of profit, then closed. So.
Okay.
So eagerly waiting for your next advice. Team, buy or sell? The choice is yours. You can control the live stream.
Both.
Both.
Yeah.
Not sure if it's possible. Ooh, webcams chat XYZ. Hot girls and boys video chat. Spamming the YouTube chat. I'm just gonna mute this idiot. On YouTube, everyone says buy. Buy, buy, buy. They are really bullish. It's like a bull gang. And the previous daily close could be a good foundation for support. It's shouting for buys. What do you think? $19.22 stop loss. I'm gonna jump into another buy. Placing my stop loss at $19.22.
Since you said that, I can say that I jumped into a buy, 1922 stop loss.
Quietly jumping into buys, Marwan.
Yeah, well.
Yeah. Dreamscape on YouTube. Are you Adam by any chance? West African Sylvester says that please Alpha Effects, sometimes I ask question but you pass. Is it because my question dumb or something? No, I just don't read the chat all the time because I have other things to do. Good one, Sean. Wagwan.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
Wagwan.
Abhishek Kumar wants to see my gold order. God, they want to see my whole life.
We are a celebrity, so yeah.
There you go. Is it better to watch the trading view or my MetaTrader?
Trading view is better.
Yeah, I think it's much better. But I think people, they want to see money going up and down, and you know they want to see some action on the chart.
Something which you don't see it on non-time terminal, I guess. That's a huge profit, man.
Think about it as what is this profit on the screen compared to the capital? If you compare it, that's how it should be. You shouldn't focus on the monetary value. You should focus on the pips, which you have in the top right corner, and you should focus on the percentage. Actually, I'm thinking to add the percentage calculator to the pip calculator, so it shows a more accurate representation about what is it. Is it really a big profit or not?
Good idea.
What's happening with US 30? Let's quickly go to trading view.
Pushing down, really nice.
Yeah, slowly but surely it's going down. Checking on the position. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, look at this beauty. Isn't that beautiful? 1,500 points in profit.
Nice.
Brought to you by the Alpha Effects. Who's holding the sell on US 30?
I am.
1.
I am too.
2.
P3.
3.
Oh, Thomas, what's going
Yes.
on for those cinematic?
Cinematic what?
Cinematic shots with the camera and the.
Haven't. I didn't have time to do any short clips or movies. I need to do. You know, I'm building a studio this year, so when I have it, when I have it ready, I'm gonna have more time to make videos. But basically, I'm building a studio, a trading floor, trading room, which is just a private room only for my trading and my videos. It's gonna be designed, my dream setup, desk, monitors, everything I want. So custom made furniture. It's gonna be really nice.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I don't. Maybe it's not gonna be ready this year because we just refurbishing the house. So everything from top to bottom, bottom to top, and the studio. That will be the first one I want it fixed, so I can continue the live streams. But the furniture, it's depending on you know, depending on the guy who's doing the furniture for me, the custom made. And I need to find someone who's gonna build it.
Like a bat cave.
Yeah, there's gonna be, you know, neon lights, a beer fridge. It's gonna be really nice. Yeah, it's gonna be my own personal room dedicated just for trading. It's gonna be in, you know, the environment I wanna be in when I trade.
Yeah, bro. That's the dream.
Yeah.
I like how there's a beer fridge.
And a champagne fridge because I like champagne. So every single time when we hit TP on the live stream, I'm just gonna reach
pop
down.
it.
Yeah, open the fridge and pop it. Actually, I have a fridge below my leg, my table right now. That's the wine fridge.
Now we all know why your breakfast is so expensive.
Yeah.
Mimosas for breakfast.
I could drink champagne for breakfast every day. Oh, so many people in US 30 cells. It's good. Good. Because it's the last trading day of the week for me. So at least we're making some money. And you making some money as well. And if you all make money, we can all buy our first Lamborghini very soon. Why is everyone so quiet today?
No
Where's
Raoul.
Jimmy?
No Raoul, no Jimmy.
Thomas, you don't trade on Fridays, like a break, something like that?
Yeah.
Cool, that's good.
Yeah, I mean, you know, if you can't make money 4 days, why work on a fifth? There's no point. And it's
Like
Friday.
this.
Who wants to work on a Friday? Because I never
Yeah.
wanted to work on a Friday.
Mm.
When
That's why
when I had
Sorry.
a job, when I had jobs,
Yeah.
I was the first person on Friday to leave, or I didn't even go in. I hated to work on a Friday. So when I started working for myself, I made this rule that there's no work on Friday unless it's an FP day. We always trade on an FP day. We work on an FP day, but if it's possible, then you know, skip Friday. Just go away. Start the weekend early.
Like a cool off break.
Yeah, and I think that's the biggest wealth in the world, that
Yeah.
when a man can decide that, you know, I'm not gonna work on Fridays, and you know, I think that's
Okay.
worth more than any Gucci or Prada
Yeah.
shoes, or you know, any.
Absolutely.
I
Absolutely.
think when you have the
And that's- I
freedom
think
to.
Yeah. And that's the best reward you can give it to yourself for doing something like this as a full-time trader.
Absolutely. Freedom is priceless.
Yeah.
And ladies and gentlemen, gold is finally Looks like it's pushing up.
Yeah.
So Marwan, it's time to defend your honor. Just kidding.
Yeah, the stop loss was right, but the analysis was okay, I think.
Thomas, when are we doing the alpha effects link up?
Alpha effects what?
Link up.
Link up? You mean a meetup?
Yeah.
I don't know. The problem is that we have around 400 members all around the world. So either we need to find a spot which is good for everyone, but it's not going to happen because, you know, it's so far for everyone. We have several options. It's either me going to visit every single continent and big city and we can do meetups, or we choose a spot, for example, Ibiza in 2022-23, and we all meet up there. You know, whoever can fly out there can come, and we have a good session. No party. Well, we do party, but then during the day we do trades as well. Or, I don't know, just go to London and meet up some of the guys there. I think it's a logistical nightmare to organize a meetup for 400 people.
Are you in London?
Sorry?
Are you in London?
No. I used to be.
Okay. So where are you based in nowadays? Hungary.
Pipland.
That's a nice one.
We can get Jimmy to organize it. Trust me, it'll work out.
Trust me, bruv. Well, if it's up to Jimmy, then we're all doomed. It's gonna be strippers and God knows what.
Oh, goodness.
Imagine Jimmy's organizing a party. It would be definitely a big hit.
Hola, 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 Tomás.
Hey, ¿cómo estás, señor? Jimmy is in the house.
Trust me, brother, when I say it.
Trust me.
Trust me, brother, trust me.
How are you, Thomas, today and everyone?
Let's make some noise.
Good.
You guys making some money?
Yeah, it looks like we're making some money, doesn't it?
I'm making a lot of money. Thank
35
you so much.
pips on gold. How many pips on... Wow, ladies and gentlemen, how many... Oh, I can't even read this number, it's so fucking huge. But we have 1,700, so just a few pips shy, a few points shy away from 1,700 profit on US 30. And gold is 32 pips. Are you in profit, Jimmy?
Of course, I'm on profit. Always, brother. Trust me, brother.
Trust me.
I will never let go of my position.
Since you joined the Alpha team, you're always in profit.
Inshallah. Thank you so much.
Inshallah.
One loss. Of course, one loss only.
Good.
It's because of me waking up and entering without anything.
Exactly. So, Jimmy, tell me something. Are you good in organizing parties?
I am. They call me the party guy before. Now I am the alim guy. Are we going to meet up at Ibiza?
That would be... I think I'm too old for Ibiza now, but yeah, why not?
Sometimes. How old are you, Thomas? You look young. You look very young.
Jimmy. I really start to like you, Jimmy. You're very polite and good guy. I'm 34.
You're young and handsome. Yeah, handsome. As me, like me, same. We're same level. No worries.
Now we're talking, Jimmy. Thank you. Please continue.
Where is this group? Very quiet today. Where is Raul? Where's Raul?
It's Thursday.
It's Thursday, yeah.
Yeah, I think people are just tired now because yesterday many people traded the FOMC meeting minutes, and
yeah,
maybe people just want Raul and you don't want to chat with me. Maybe that's why they're quiet. I don't know.
no lah. The live is already 200 plus likes. It's good. It's getting better and better.
Yeah,
come on, guys.
I'm keep threatening the YouTube viewers to hit the like button. Otherwise, I'm gonna end the stream. That's why we have 246 likes.
Inshallah, you will be more subscribe, more likes. Inshallah, within this year.
Yeah, I mean, it's doing really well, the stream. It consistently, this week we had above 300 consistent viewers every single day. Minimum 200 likes. Can we push the number of likes up to 300, guys, on YouTube?
Yeah, we must appreciate what Thomas do. It's not easy to do live things like this. I know it's not easy. So we all appreciate what you done for us.
Is it useful for you guys, these live trading sessions?
Yeah, much useful on Discord too, with all the information that is given. Oh my God, that's more than enough. Plus the people, they are giving like more information. I just keep reading, and it's good for my fundamental view for the market. It's amazing. Improving is good. When you're improving, that's good.
Thank you, Jimmy. And what about you guys? Are you finding this live streams useful?
Of course.
Yeah, are you kidding?
Yeah, very much.
Massive.
Who's that? B?
Yes,
yeah.
it's your one and
here,
only.
Thomas.
He's been pining for you.
It's your one and only B.
Alan.
we still have the picture.
Did you save it, Jimmy?
I screenshot it, but I never look at it.
What's the name of Jimmy? I have the question.
Then
what's
just
the name?
delete it.
Jimmy, what's the name of the folder where you saved that photo?
This is WB folder.
I'll DM you. I don't want to tell you in live.
My private time.
my private leisure. Yeah.
Today morning we had this call, right? And in that call you said that the Europe guys didn't get to trade out for the FOMC and they might be doing it today. I was in trade that time for Euro GBP and that took the plunge. But after listening to you, I have removed my stop loss because I know that it's going to come back. So that saved me. So just want to thank you for that information. That really helped me out.
Whoa. Nice comment. Thank you. On behalf of Thomas.
Thank you.
GJ, quickly just show you.
Oh, GJ are still holding the position.
Did I close down? Oh yeah, shit, I have GJ as well. Haha.
Oh, you have GJ too?
Yeah, because I was moving the window, so I wanted to show only the positions, not the not the finances part, how much money I have, because that's irrelevant. So I accidentally hit GBP Japanese yen and I forgot. So let's have a look what's happening with GJ.
Cool.
So GJ is it's doing its thing. You can see that this wedge is closing in. We have a horizontal top and we have an ascending bottom trend line. And as closer we get to the tip, to the end of the wedge, it's inevitable that price could pull back, retest the previous daily close. So we're going to see some sideways movements. But when we have a break, it's going to break the previous daily high with an impulse move to the upside. And that is the confirmation that price is going to continue higher. Of course, it could be a fake out as well, because we should not rule out the alternative scenarios. But by the looks of it, it's just doing its thing. So I'm gonna hold the position. If it breaks below the previous daily, previous daily low, then I'm going to close down the position.
What's the number on that previous day low, Thomas? I'll just put the same as my stop loss.
You can find it on your chart, the previous daily low.
Right.
Just go to the daily time frame.
Sure. 161.554. Yeah.
YouTube people, if you like the stream and if you get value out, can you help push the number of likes to 300? Thank you.
Yes. Tonight we want 300 likes.
Yeah, I want a nice, 300 number to close the week.
300 likes will give you a picture of some girls, beautiful girl.
Ooh,
300
Jimmy.
likes to get you a date with Jimmy.
Oh my God!
Yeah, ladies and
As long
gentlemen.
as B approves.
Oh, Sean, my brother. How are you, my brother?
Trust me, brother. I'm good.
Oh, damn. You're not working today?
Finish him.
I work every day.
Oh, you work every day. Tonight, you're working. You're working now.
Finish him.
No. I'm retired. I do this full time now.
Oh, okay. All right. Nice. Me too. I'm not working. I just do trading.
You're a full-time trader, Jimmy?
Yeah, I'm a full-time trader now.
Wow. How is it going?
Ups and down. I've been a full-time trader for almost 15 years. The 10 years
15
was
years.
ups and down.
Wow, that's impressive,
years.
Jimmy. You keep
15 years.
surprising me.
15 years ago, I quit my job. Then I tried trading as a life saving for me. The first year was hard, very, very hard, because I was like on a $10,000 budget for trading, and so Alhamdulillah, it goes up already now. So now I can be a full-time trader. I just recently got married on January this year.
Congratulations.
So, yeah, and then I just moved on to a new house about a week ago. So I'm still buying stuff, doing this, doing that, and I'm so busy nowadays.
Yeah, I can imagine. So Jimmy is a full-time trader for 15 years. Man, you gotta have a lot of knowledge. You're trading longer than I do.
I'm using, but my technical analysis is very, very different from you all. I'm using BBMA. BBMA is a technical analysis from Malaysia that I learned from a teacher called Chigo Mali. It's a very, very good English, Malay. He's a Malay and from Malaysia. So I've been using it for almost 15 years. Before I was using few technical analysis that I don't understand, but when I started to use BBMA, I started to make money, and so I'm sticking to it now. But I'm learning a bit from alphas about candlestick, everything. I've read the pattern chart. Nice. I'm interested, really interested. And plus the fundamental at this group is amazing, super amazing. I can't ask more.
And the girls are hot.
And the girls is hot.
Yeah.
Wait, my wife is sleeping.
Okay. Well, you should hold a seminar for us and show us this BBMA strategy and teach us.
Oh. Inshallah, I can. Inshallah, I can. No problem.
In exchange for dinner with B, it's priceless.
Oh my God.
Why am I the exchange? Can it be somebody else?
Because Sophie got mad at us, so now it's you.
Well, I'm getting mad now.
I would never sell you out, B. You know that.
You already, oh my God, you do all the time. What are you? Oh my God.
I will.
Don't get me mad.
No, come on.
B, you're a collateral.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. It's nice when GJ was going up and I was going down back. It didn't break the H4. So I'm waiting for a good momentum actually for GJ, but it's still going down, going up, going down. It's like giving cycles.
Oh my god, I thought it's like 2 hours we in the stream, but it turns out it's 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's a really quiet day today, but at least US 30 is giving us some money.
Yeah. Thomas, can I ask you one question, Thomas?
I like girls.
Me too. No worries.
What's
Thomas,
your question, Jimmy?
Married? Are you married or are you single?
Happily married.
Whoa. Nice.
Yeah.
How many years already, Thomas? How many years already?
How many months? It's
months.
5 months. It's gonna be 6 months soon.
You just recently married?
Yeah, I just got married last year, October.
Wow. Nice.
Congratulations, Thomas.
Thank you so much. But for the ladies,
well done.
thank you so much. But the ladies who are listening to this and heartbroken, always remember that just because I'm on a diet, it doesn't mean I can't have a look on the dessert menu.
Thomas, oh my god.
My bro. Thomas is my bro, you know. Thomas is my bro, my idol. Come on, man, you're my idol.
Come on, B. Do you go, B, when you go out shopping to buy new shoes, are you go barefoot? No.
I'm a germaphobe, so definitely not.
Don't let B fool you. She is that type of woman that is single because she can't stop looking at all the men.
Oh.
Excuse you, quality over quantity. Why would I waste my time? Oh my god. Sean, oh my god.
It's getting really interesting.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I'm single because I don't want to be tied down.
Oh, wow. How old are you, Sean?
I'm 35.
35.
Wow.
But I've been married and I have a kid, so I'm good.
You've been married before?
Yes, I'm married. I got married young. I got married when I was 18. And my daughter is 13 now, so.
Wow, congratulations.
Wow.
Yeah.
You have the whole package then. You just go and live your life. Run free.
Yeah. I'm looking at moving to Belize here at the end of the year.
Moving to Bali?
Belize.
Oh, Belize. I thought it's Bali.
No.
Bali. We should go to Bali. The meetup should be in Bali. Much better there. Wow.
So Sean, tell me, how did you come to this conclusion regarding B?
My detective skills.
Detective skills. I would be interested to find out about the details because you gave a so specific description about B.
Did you notice how defensive she got and speechless at the same time?
Oh, that's good.
And she blushed as well, I'm for sure.
It's just that we're on YouTube, but if we were not, then you would get a lot more.
Wow. Wow. Oh. B, what's your nationality, B?
Filipino Chinese.
Filipino
Exotic.
Chinese. Wow. Where are you staying now? Where are you staying now?
In Philippines. I'm stuck here for like 2 years now because of COVID.
B,
and I'm too scared to travel.
She wants your address.
No.
No, thank you. No.
If we do something like, example, if you go, the meetup is in Bali, it's nice. So there is a saying for, what happened in Bali will stay in Bali. Yeah, come on.
There's Alban here. He already invited me to Mykonos.
Alban invited you?
Yeah, Alban is shooting his shot.
Oh, Alban is a big player. Be careful with him.
I know. He's gonna message me in a bit saying I dropped him.
These guys are like dogs on heat.
Oh. Your wife is from your own country too, Thomas. Your wife. Same nationality.
Could be.
Oh, nice. That's
Yeah,
nice.
she's in profit land too.
Oh,
Thomas
okay.
is so secretive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's it's YouTube. There is a line. Personal
I can't
life
wait.
should be personal.
I can't wait to meet Thomas, my brother, my idol, my idol. We're going to meet sometimes in this year. Next year we'll meet Thomas.
Sure, yeah, definitely. I mean, I had a look on Brunei. It's really beautiful country. So maybe we are going to have a honeymoon to Brunei because we didn't have a honeymoon yet.
Come. I'll show you. About.
But maybe we're gonna go somewhere. Maybe we don't want to spend the honeymoon with Jimmy. But as a destination to pop in, that would be a good idea.
Yeah. Sean should go out to Sean. You should go out from US.
I leave the US a lot. I
You're
hate
from
being in
US,
the
right?
US. Yeah.
Yeah, he been
Which
to
part of
the.
US?
I've been to a lot of places.
No.
I love traveling.
Have you been to Bali? Bali? Not yet? Bali?
No. I
Try
like
it
the
there.
Caribbean.
Oh, Caribbeans. It's the same. The Caribbean is the same as Bali, but it's
Or,
more.
or even the Caribbean. That's nice as well.
The same
Yeah.
thing, done.
Yes, I know.
It's the thing.
Just pronunciations are slightly different. That's all.
Yeah,
Yes,
his
the
sounds
color-
better than the way I say it.
Yes, the girls is different, much different. The girls, they.
And there's loads of things. I mean, like I said, I still don't know what aluminum is. I know what aluminium is, but no clue what aluminum is.
Oh, Alan. That was a good one.
Alan, you're a gem. Don't ever change.
Yeah, that's why I'm single, because I'm a complete pain in the ass.
Your English is very good. Yeah?
Typical
Your English is
British.
very good. Your English B is very good. You can speak English very, very good. Very, very well. I see.
Yeah, I grew up in States and also in Europe. So
Oh, okay. Oh, nice.
Global citizen,
Speak-
ladies and gentlemen.
Speaking
And
of
single,
Bali, I wouldn't mind going
single.
diving there.
Which state are you in, Sean?
Arkansas.
Okay, I've not been there.
Arkansas.
I've been to quite a few
Yeah.
of the states, probably half of them, but not that one.
I'm right next to Texas. Everybody knows where Texas is.
Yeah, I know it.
Right on.
Right on, Texas.
I've been to around
Yeah.
Dallas area. That's about it in Texas.
I live
Accent is
about
enough.
5 hours from Dallas.
5 hours from Dallas, yeah.
I think I've flown in and out of Fort Worth a few times.
Dallas is nice.
Observing the end of the wedge, expecting bullish momentum.
Yeah, I switched to TradingView because those who just joined the live stream are getting confused about why we're talking about the things we talk about, B and Texas and all kind of crazy things just pop up. So it's like a firework, and people asking about what on earth is happening here. So I'm just going to quickly run through what do we have. So currently gold is really consolidating between this range right here. If I can draw on the chart, so we have a top and a bottom, and higher time frame, you can see that we have a closing in wedge, and the closer we get to the tip or the end of the wedge, the volatility becomes much higher. So we're waiting for a breakout of this wedge. That said, we are in a buy position, or I'm in a buy position, because it cleared out the previous daily close. Stop loss is at around 193, somewhere around that level. Take profit wherever you're happy, but anything above the previous daily high. US 30 is on a sell. If you missed the entry, I would not enter now because it's already moving now. It's down 1,500 points, so
Wow.
I would not attempt to jump into US 30. If it pulls back, then you can jump on. If there is a retracement, for example the previous daily close, then absolutely feel free. GBP Japanese yen is consolidating. It's the same kind of wedge, but this one is different because it has a flat horizontal top and an ascending bottom trend line. So, you know, there's a possibility that price is going to wiggle around in the tip of the wedge. But I'm expecting a bullish move to the upside, a retest of the previous daily high, and then continuation higher. So this is the update.
Tamas, I know a couple of folks have already asked this question, must have. But I just want to know that how do you draw those PDL and PDH on the graph? I'm sorry, it's been asked many times.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to switch back to TradingView. Sure. You get a horizontal, or you know, you get a trend line like this. Okay. You make it horizontal. Okay. You double click in it. You go into text, and you type in PDH, previous daily high. Voila! There you have your indicator. Where was the previous daily high? You go to the daily time frame, you find that candle, and you just bring it down. PDH. Magic.
Yep.
Magic.
It's not through pivot or something like that. It just manually we have to put those lines by going to the day.
It. If you have a better way to do it, I like to fiddle around in the morning to prepare my charts.
Yeah, this looks nice. Thank you.
Trust me. 1,800 points on US 30. Who's holding? Giorgio, are you holding? Radim is holding.
Yeah.
Varvan is holding. Everyone's holding, ladies and gentlemen. 1,800 points. How fucking cool is that? It's perfect ending of the week. Can we get another 13 likes on YouTube just because the 1,800 points on US 30? $13 likes, and we get the 300 likes, and I can finish the stream. Radim Studeni on Zoom. Was the clapping on something else? I don't want to know.
That's a clapping. I think like crazy. That's a clapping. Come on, guys. In our religion, tonight is what you call it. Friday night. We call it Friday night is the night for the husband and wife. So maybe that's the clapping. Maybe.
Friday night.
That was funny, Radim.
I knew you're gonna like this joke, B.
Hamed, don't get me started. No.
B is very naughty. So naughty you are.
Naughty, naughty. Oh, US 30 is pushing back up. I'm gonna close down US 30 because that was a massive. That was way too big. Why is it not?
Move. It almost looks like a head and shoulders on a 30-minute.
Okay, ladies and
It'll
gentlemen.
Push up and then come down again.
Officially, I locked in the profit on US 30. I didn't have the balls to hold it longer. Plus, tomorrow is no trading, and it's good to go with profit into the weekend. And we are 2 likes away on YouTube from 300.
Come on, guys. Like and subscribe. Come on, guys. Let's make it 400s. Oh my god, 400s.
Oh, of course US 30 is now dropping as soon as I close down the position.
Yeah, but like I said, a half-past 2 or generally one way and then the other. So I was actually expecting it to drop from there.
US 30, yeah.
Yeah, I'm happy with the profit. It's, 2% is done.
I don't think it's going to drop much further.
Anything is possible. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for the afternoon stream. Who made some money today?
Me.
I did.
1, 2,
I
3,
did.
Yes, thank
4,
you.
5.
Yes, Thomas.
I did.
Very good.
I did. Me.
Very good. YouTube watchers, who made some money today? Leave a comment under the video. So, I hope you enjoyed the afternoon stream and the live trading session. See you all on Monday, 8 a.m. team, and have a good weekend. There will be no morning briefing or afternoon trading tomorrow. I'm gonna take a day off.
Okay, have a good weekend, Thomas.
Have a good
Enjoy
one, guys.
your off
See
day.
you all.
Thomas. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Enjoy your
Bye.
weekend, Thomas.
Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much, Thomas.
Bye-bye.
Ciao,
Thank you.
ciao.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Thomas.
So people on YouTube, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. You enjoyed the discussion, the stream. I hope you made some profit because we had 3 beautiful setups in today's live stream. And if you get any value out of the weekly videos or the daily streams, please consider leaving a review on Trustpilot or just hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel, and keep up the good work. Thank you so much for spending time with me, your precious time, tuning into the live stream and staying with us. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. See you all on Monday at 1 p.m. UK time. There will be no live stream tomorrow. I'm gonna take a day off and have a little bit longer weekend to enjoy all the profits and the nice weather. So see you all at Monday, 8 a.m. This is the Alpha FX.
It's all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.